In this video, I'll teach you how to create a custom flag field that will alert you when you have tasks that have not been baselined. In Microsoft Project, there is no quick and easy way to determine if tasks are missing a baseline. But in this video, I'll teach you how to create a custom flag field that will make it easy and quick to locate tasks that are missing a baseline. So let's get started. Before I show you how to create the custom flag field, let me first show you how Microsoft Project tells us if a task is missing a baseline. So I've taken the liberty of inserting the baseline start and the baseline finish columns. You can see there's dates for almost every task. However, there are a few tasks that are missing baselines. You can see the entire unit testing and integration testing sections all have NA values for every task in those sections in both baseline start and baseline finish. And if I continue further, we can see the same thing again in the pilot section. NA values in both baseline start and baseline finish. You would assume at this point that the formula is going to need to test for baseline start equals NA or baseline finish equals NA. But the truth is, if one of those two fields has an NA value, the other one will have it as well. So we only need to test for one of the two fields. I personally like to test baseline start. So once we know that, here is how to create the custom field with the formula. Click the Project tab to display the project ribbon, and then click the Custom Fields button to display the Custom Fields dialog. In the dialog, click the Type, Pick List button, and choose the Flag field type. Select the first available flag field, in my case, Flag 1. Click the Rename button, and in the Rename Field dialog, give this custom field a name. I'm going to call it Missing Baseline, and then click the OK button. Now let's put the formula into this field. Click the Formula button and enter the following formula. IIF baseline start equals ProjDateValue of NA. That ProjDateValue is a built-in Microsoft Project function that allows you to test for the NA value. So if this test shows an NA in the field for a task, it will return a true value. If there's a date in the field, then it'll return the false value. That's the formula you'll want to use. When finished, click the OK button, and in the confirmation dialog, click OK again. Halfway down the dialog in the Calculation for Task and Group Summary Rows section, be sure and select the Use Formula item. Now, let's go ahead and display a graphical indicator for every task that is missing a baseline. Here's how to do that. Click the Graphical Indicators button and create the following test. Equals, then in the Values column, select the Yes value. In the Image column, you can select any image you want to display for tasks that are missing a baseline, My absolute favorite is this big red X. I think that'll really stand out. That's the test for graphical indicators for detailed tasks, known in this dialog as non-summary rows. Let's also use the same test for summary tasks as well. So select the item called Summary Rows, and then select the checkbox below it. Summary rows inherit criteria from non-summary rows. I'll go ahead and click that checkbox option, and in the confirmation dialog, click Yes. Then click the OK button to close that dialog, and click the OK button to close the Custom Fields dialog as well. Let's test the new custom field with the formula and graphical indicator. So I'll go ahead and insert our missing baseline column. Here's the way this new column will work. If baseline start has a date in it, the column will display a blank. We don't need indicators for that. We're looking for exceptions. But when I scroll down to the unit testing and integration testing sections, look, there's the big red X. If I go a little further, there they are for the pilot section of the project as well. Now, if you're a purist like I am, I think I'd like that value, that red X, to be centered in the field. So here's what I'll do. I'll right-click on the column header, and I'll choose Field Settings. And what I'd like to do is align the title centered and align the data centered as well. When I click the OK button, oh, that looks nice. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So there's a little bonus for you on how you can align data in any column. And that's how to create a custom flag to detect tasks that are missing a baseline. So did you see how easy it was to use that flag field to determine if a task is missing its baseline? As always, I sure hope you found this video to be useful to you. If it was, please like, share, subscribe, and remember to click the notification button. If you have a question, please drop it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.